Presenting the Canon EOS 200D2 24.1 megapixel digital SLR camera. It comes along with two lenses. Canon 200D2 comes in a compact and lightweight design, making it suitable for carrying around. The camera comes with 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor that can be rotated for clicking selfies. The EOS 200D2 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor and the DIGIC 8 image processor, enabling you to shoot in low light conditions such as at night or even indoors without compromising on image details. Dual pixel CMOS autofocus and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD panel enable you to focus and capture your subject easily while in live view mode. The 9-point autofocus AF during optical viewfinder shooting covers a wide area of the frame to keep track of your subjects with high precision to give you a good shot. Canon 200D2 records Full HD 4K videos to give you high-quality video work. Inside the box, you will find the EOS 200D2 body, EF-S18 to 55 IS STM, EF-S55 to 250 IS STM, battery pack, lens cap, battery charger, iCarb. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.